God, you guys have to see this, cause I found video proof that Reese a Rottweiler. Oh my God! Did you freaking see that? Oh my God, now? Okay, now, Reese or Roddy, if you don't know now, you know.
Hey everybody, back with another video. I ended up getting a load out of Chaska, Minnesota, and we took it over to Lockbourne, Ohio. It ain't even been 40 miles.
Oh, sorry, let me tell that darn prairie dog back there that it's only been 40 miles.
It's 2 o'clock, and I'm gonna end up sitting in Chicago at around 5, 6, 6:30.
We got our load over here to Lockbourne, Ohio. We are officially cleaned out, and I need to go to Brooks, Kentucky to pick up our next load. And it's going over to PA, Pittsburgh, to be exact. Probably need to go ahead and head that way. There we go.
We just got picked up here in Brooks. We're heading up to Pittsburgh, and we're gonna stop at a steakhouse and get something to eat.
Look around and see what we can find to eat, and they have an amazing salad bar.
My ribeye's here. 12-ounce ribeye, already dug into it. And
it's not done.
So you sent it back?
Yeah, but it's not. If it was medium well, I would have ate it.
Well done with ketchup.
Yep. It was good, and I would come back and eat it again.
Reese got a steak too. So
Oh my God, hell yes now. Oh, gimme that steak, gimme that beef. Reese gonna eat that with her Rottweiler teeth. Oh yes.
Like that.
all right, we're gonna head to Pittsburgh, guys. I'll see you guys
Bye,
later.
guys.
Here is today's problem in trucking.
Morning, everybody. We are doing an art load, which was a little bit crazy.
Come on, this
Oh my
way.
God, which way?
Reese.
Leave in the comments where you think we are.
I know a place where we can go and be alone.
It is super windy out there. It's calling for some pretty good storms down here in Memphis today.
So come away with me, nobody has to know.
I swear I keep thinking somebody's gonna be in these trees.
Where we gonna go?
You getting cold?
For sure, bro.
I ain't scared to go outside, bro.
Then go.
Be right back.
Go, run tail. I mean, I can basically see his.
I was just calling to see if you're free to run away with me. To run away with me.
Yeah, I mean, we stuffed it there
Yeah.
that night and headed on up to Pittsburgh.
Yeah.
Man, what a hell of a year it's been. Keep on bluffing, but I just can't win. Drown my sorrows, but they learn to swim. Man, what a hell of a year it's been. Head in a bottle, put my heart in a case. Yeah, it's getting harder to act my age. Play a sad song on a tiny violin for the man at the bar confessing his sins. I need some good news. Sitting here sipping on cold fruit. Nobody knows what I'm going through, but the devil will walk in my shoes. Wish someone told me living this life would be lonely. Trying to get away from the old me. Still stuck singing these blues. All I really need is a little good news. Love keeps knocking, but I just stay home. I ain't picking no flowers for the seeds that I've sown. They say it gets darker when you're coming on door. Still looking for the ride at the end of my road. At the end of my road, I need some good news. Sitting here sipping on cold truth. Nobody knows what I'm going through, but the devil wouldn't walk in my shoes. Wish someone told me living this life would be lonely. Trying to get away from the old me. Still stuck singing these blues. All I really need is a little good news. It's a little good news. I need some good news. Sitting here sipping on cold truth. Nobody knows what I'm going through, but the devil wouldn't walk in my shoes. Wish someone told me living this life would be lonely. Trying to get away from the old me. Still stuck singing these blues. All I really need is a little good news. All I really need is a little. Something bring me back to the middle. All I really need
My
is
delivery
a little.
in Pittsburgh. And it was one pallet. It was negative 25 to negative 15 with a set point of negative 20 Celsius. It was loaded 393 and the deadhead to go pick it up was 218. It was a pharma load and it paid $1,685. We made $1,248 and it paid $2.75 per mile. And that was Thursday. We dropped that. And then after we dropped that, we were done. Yeah, we were done. And then we went and ate somewhere else.
Yeah, we were kind of done on Thursday, and we were just hanging around in the area because I think you already had another load, but it didn't pick up until Monday. So we had to mosey on over to pick it up. But in the meantime, we were staying in the area, and it was a burger place called Burgatory.
Yeah.
Like strictly burgers, I think. And I think I've seen it, but we'd never ate there. But we went in there and tried that. Well, it's Thursday afternoon, and we're still here in Pittsburgh after dropping that load this morning. And we just went in and got some groceries for the truck. And we don't have a load at this point until Monday, so.
No, but we did get to hang out and got us a good banger out for Monday.
Got like a $3,200 load for Monday, dropping Tuesday. Woburn, Massachusetts. I think we were just at not too long ago.
Yeah, now we need to find one heading home for Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Well, we decided to walk over here. There's a burger place we've never been to called Burgatory.
Yeah.
So we decided to walk over here and give it a shot, see what it's all about. Surprised you didn't want Panera, to be honest.
I thought about that and Five Guys, but I don't know.
All right, well, once we get in here and see what this place is about, I'll oh, there's a ramen place right there? I didn't see that.
Where? Oh, there is.
Vajia Ramen.
Yeah. Well, would you rather try that?
All right, let me get off here, guys. We figure out what we're gonna do here.
I swear.
This place, you kind of fill out this card and you make your own burger if you want to. But they also have pre-made burgers. I think I'm gonna get a pre-made burger.
It was so good.
It was really good too. Like I tried something new. I got a burger with had peanut butter and jelly on it.
Yeah.
And it was actually really good. Like really good.
I just did a standard cheeseburger and it was real good.
Yeah, I would definitely. You marked that one, didn't you?
Yeah, I marked that
definitely
one
go
on
back
my
there
phone.
too.
It was so good.
So I ordered a piggy patty or something. It's like a burger that's got peanut butter, habanero jelly, candy dusted bacon, but they said it'll come out pink because the burger is half burger, half bacon. So that kind of freaked me out a little bit. So I just told them I wanted that, but switch it with a regular patty because don't know. I probably should have got it the way it came, but. And then we ordered like some kind of cornbread that they got for dessert. What'd you get?
It's a standard burger, and then I had her I told her I wanted it burnt and no pink, and I had them add pickle to it, because it only comes with mayonnaise, tomato, lettuce, and onion, and I wanted pickle. And then it comes with like chips, but I had to upgrade it to fries for me.
Yeah, I just got the chips for mine.
And I did fries because I wanted fries.
Well, hopefully it's good. I mean, we'll show you when it gets here. Not a very big place, but fairly busy for a Thursday at what, 4 o'clock, 4:30, something like that. So hopefully it's good. Let you know in a few minutes what we get. So I also ordered a root beer float, and what it looks like. Haven't had a root beer float in quite a while, so.
I really expected that to come in like a way bigger cup, and
Yeah,
you know what I
thought it
mean?
would.
Like, doesn't even have much root beer in it.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
I think it is. I mean, it's pretty good. Well, they brought the cornbread out.
It's definitely hot.
It's like some kind of jalapeno something cornbread.
Slice it like I did and put butter on the inside too.
Straw.
Oh, it's very sweet. And the butter was very sweet.
That's actually really good.
It's really good. It's probably the best cornbread I've ever eaten.
Oh, it's definitely the best cornbread I've ever had. Not even that big on cornbread like Becky is. But that cornbread's really good. Alright, well, mine finally came, but piggy butter and jelly. They got a standard.
Yeah. Onions, tomato, lettuce, their sauce, and some pickles to add to it.
It's a pretty big burger. It's a big, thick burger.
There's a little piece right there, but it's good though. It's really good.
Habanero jelly and the candied bacon and peanut butter. That sounds weird, but it's actually really good. Burger has a good taste to it too.
Really good.
Alright, leaving Burgatory.
Yep.
What you think?
I thought it was fantastic. I'm gonna put it in my phone. I would give my food a 9.7, and I would definitely come back. That's what I said.
I don't think you've ever gave anything a 9.7.
Yeah, 2 nights of perfect food.
The last night was Cattleman's. Cattleman's?
Yep.
And that was really good.
2 nights of fantastic food.
Yeah. Yeah, I would come back. I would probably order the same burger that I just got. That candied jam, piggy patty, bacon burger, whatever it was.
Yeah, and they don't play around either. Like, they make a big burger.
Yeah. I mean, I could barely eat all the burger.
I barely could get it in my mouth.
Yeah, and their house-made chips were pretty good too.
Like, it's a big burger, and it was good.
We got the cornbread, which was really good, but I will say it's a two-person job. Like, it's sweet. I don't think one person could eat 2 pieces.
Yeah, you couldn't.
I think that's really for 2 people. Like,
Yeah, it is. To split it.
I couldn't eat both pieces of it. Not because it's not good. It's just it's sweet, a little heavy, but it's so good.
Thick.
But yeah, we got the cornbread. We both got the burgers you saw, and then I got like a root beer float, which you saw, and all that was like $52.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah. With the tip, it was $60.
Man, it was worth every penny.
And that's the first time we ever been to this place, but it won't be the last. So
Yeah, I would eat that again tomorrow.
I know it's odd, but that's 2 good reviews in a row. So
You can't never find a good place to eat burgers.
for all you guys that think that we don't like anything,
Watch it.
that's 2 in a row that we liked.
Look, we like it if it's good.
Yeah.
If we go in and it ain't good, well, we ain't gonna like it.
Yeah. Well, we're back to the truck. I don't know if we're gonna be staying here.
Well, right
There
now
ain't
we are.
nobody else here.
Yeah, there ain't nobody here, but there ain't nobody told me to leave either.
Or if we're gonna be, we put in an offer for a load, so I don't know if we'll be leaving or staying, but catch up with you guys in a little bit. They had like little chips, I think.
Yeah.
That was good.
And I mean, they did have chips, but you can have fries.
Fries?
Yeah, because I got fries. My fries were good.
Did I get chips?
Everywhere we ate that week, the food was just top notch. I was so pleased.
Yeah, those 2 nights back to back of good food, which don't happen a lot, not back to back.
Yeah.
But yeah, Burgatory was good. And after we spent, I think probably that night there, the next day we started probably moseying.
Yeah, we had to do 185 miles over to pick our load up out of
Back in Ohio.
yeah, Columbus.
We'll save that one for the next video, and we'll just go ahead and end this video here with these 2 loads. And again, just want to thank you guys for sticking with us this year. And hopefully the channel just gets bigger and better. And thanks for all our subscribers. Follow us over on Facebook. Follow us on TikTok. Stay tuned later for Reese's Rant.
Yeah, if you want to get into my industry and his industry, check out Highfield above my head.
It's a place to be if you want to
Yeah.
do what we do.
Yeah.
It's the best place to do what we do, actually, if you're starting out, or even if you're not starting out.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Till next time. We'll see you next Sunday.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Hey guys, welcome to another awesome episode of Reese Rant, where it's all Reese all the time. Well, believe it or not, guys, Reese don't have much to say about this one, except I'm pretty sure. I saw a sign at Burgatory that said pets welcome. And Reese no genius, but I'm pretty sure that means Reese don't have to wait in the freaking truck. And Reese can come get a freaking delicious peanut butter burger. Also, come on now. Well, I did not know maybe people would be so scared of Reese the restaurant could lose some business. Oh yeah, I guess my talents as a professional badass would be better used here in the truck, scaring away all the random crackheads. I mean, who else is gonna be able to do that? Come on now. But it does get a little lonely in here. Maybe Reese needs to hire and train another righty like myself. Yeah, I need to bring that up to the gang cause Reese need to boss somebody around. Okay, well, remember, every mile is a story, so thanks for being part of ours. And don't forget Reese the Roddy loves ya and gonna see ya next Sunday, so bye-bye for now.
Man, what a hell of a year it's been. Keep on bluffing, but I just can't win. Drown my sons, but they learn to swim. Man, what a hell of a year it's been.